do the presentation in another day. Lah, sebagai jadwal pengganti, bisanya hari apa Mbak dan Mas? Jumat sore? Apakah Kamis sore? Kira-kira? Karena saya memang utang satu minggu yang lalu. Oke, ini kita undang dulu presentersnya. Kelompok 1 sudah lengkap apa belum? Rizkika, Muhammad Alfat, Rima, Setiana, Ferisko. Sudah lengkap? Halo? Hanya Rizkika saja yang belum masuk. Rima Amelia ada? Septiana?
Hadir, Ma'am.
Ada ya? Rizkiko? Belum ada Mas Alfat. Yang ada hanya berdua. Ya, kelompok 2 ada apa tidak? Farida, Sofia, Eri, Aditya, Yudhistira. Halo, kelompok 2.
Sofia ada, Ma'am. Untuk
Sofia doang.
ya sama yang Adit ini, Ma'am. Sinyalnya jelek karena di sana sedang hujan begitu.
Ya, kalau satu orang kan tidak bisa presentasi ya.
Oh, okay, Ma'am.
Kelompok 3 Kelompok 3 Talisa, Adelia, Nur Azizah, Akila, Indah. Halo? Nggak ada yang datang. Nah, ini jadi presentasi apa enggak ini kok? Yang hadir hanya 19 orang begini. Saya sih nggak presentasi juga nggak apa-apa gitu ya. Nanti dikumpulkan saja di psikologi, tapi nilainya kan bukan nilai presentasi. Aulia, Salsabila, Isa Asma, Sekar Arum, D. Uswatun, ada? Tidak ada ya. Rehan, Lady Agustina, Ivana.
Hadir, Ma'am.
Hadir, Ma'am.
Ada. Ini kelompok 6 ya?
Iya, Ma'am.
Ya, oke, barangkali nanti sambil ini banyak yang masuk. Sekarang kelompok 6 dulu yang presentasi. Sudah siap presentasi ya, Mas dan Mbak ya? Yuk, dipersilahkan, boleh mulai screen share screen. Ya, oke. Sudah kelihatan? Dipersilahkan.
Okay, let me start. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 6, consist Rehan Apnaya, Lady Augustina, Ivana Salsabila, Alvin Adam, and Dila Fatih Nurzaida Imama will present our discussion about analysis of a publication article, language variation on the main character in the movie Black Panther 2018. Next. So the title analysis of the article, a good publication article title is one that can represent the entire content of the publication article. A good short, clean, and not ambiguous in order to catch the reader interest. Next. Variation of the main characters in the 2018 analysis of the title is clearly represent the content of the article that discuss the language variation of the main character in the 2018 Black Panther film. And number 3, the title does not have a double meaning. The title states only the discussion of the main character language variation in the 2008 Black Panther film. And number 4, the title attracts the reader interest. The Black Panther film that aired in 2018 attracted many fans and has a special place in the hearts of the Marvel fans, especially after of the language variation used by the main character of the Black Panther film will certainly be of interest to the audience of the film. And number 5, the layout of the title is correct and does not cause double meaning. Next. And also the author analysis. So the author's identity consists of 3 parts, namely is written along with its address, Pakuan University, Bogor, Indonesia. And number 3, the email address has been entered correctly because the author consists of several people. It's 3 people. It only includes the email address of the first author, namely Andin Diani's email address. And the email address is located 1 space below the author's affiliation. Next.
Abstract and background analysis. An abstract is a short summary of a thesis, article, review, analysis, or any other in-depth academic work or writing. An abstract usually goes at the very beginning before the actual work it describes. It serves as a sort of introduction to the paper. The background study for a thesis includes a review of the area being researched, current information surrounding the issue, previous study on the issue, and relevant history on the issue. Ideally, the study should effectively set forth the history and background information on your thesis problem. Keywords. Keywords are important words or concepts found in research question or thesis. In this research, the keywords are components of events, domain, language variation, main character. Abstract. In language variation of the main character in the movie Black Panther 2018 journal paper, the author writes about the summary about whole of their research. The author explains about what are the aspects will they discuss in the research. The author also tells the purpose and what method they use in this research. Background. In this study, the background consists of definition and description about language from various kinds of scientists and explaining in general and more specifically about language and its use in communication. In addition, this study also contains language variation, starting from the understanding of several opinions of other researchers and supporting factors in the speech component or speech event. In this study, the authors examined the use of various language and relate them to the speech components used by the T'Challa characters. The theory of language variety used in this study is the theory proposed by Martin Jones, while the theory for speech events is the theory put forward by Holmes. The use of various languages is closely related to the events of his speech. Thus, the use of the variety of languages used by the main character and interlocutors in this film is analyzed based on the theory of language variety and the theory of the components of speech events, which are the supporting factors.
Methodology analysis. Methodology is a specific procedure or technique used to identify, select, process, and analyze information about a topic or problem. Methodology in research allows the reader to critically evaluate the validity and reliability of the study as a whole. In this research, the method used is qualitative method and will be analyzed using descriptive analysis method as a data analysis technique. In data collection, the method used is observation. This research is also limited because it only observes the use of various languages used by T'Challa in the Black Panther film. The style of language contained in this study are frozen style, formal style, consultative style, casual style, and intimate style.
Next, result and discussion analysis. In these sections, the researcher must use a systematic way of thinking in order to support the conclusion that will be made. The description of the research results is structured, clear, and directed so that there is no repetition of sentence or discussion that confuse readers. Research result can be made with deductive or inductive sentence and refer to the research hypothesis. In scientific articles written in English, the result of the research are made in past tense sentence. The editorial has been done. For this type of literature review or literature study, the researcher must be able to analyze the data objectively, systematically, comprehensively, and factually. Although it doesn't use mathematical or statistical formula, it still requires the ability to obtain accurate research result. Researchers can also ask for help from colleagues or someone who is an expert in compiling research result. In this study, the author wanted to examine the language variation of the main character in the movie Black Panther, where the author found 29 language variation, 13 casual style, 6 formal style, 5 consultative style, and 5 intimate style. There are 4 styles, namely formal style, consultative style, casual styles, and intimate style. Number 1 is formal style. T'Challa, I'm not king of all people, I'm king of Wakanda, and it is my responsibility to make sure people are safe and that vibranium doesn't fall into the hands of a person like you. In one of the excerpts of the conversation, this can be seen from the speech of T'Challa. I am not king of all people. I am king of Wakanda, and it is my responsibility to make sure our people are safe and that vibranium doesn't fall into the hands of person like you. Number 2, consultative style. T'Challa, never. Beat, tell me how to best protect Wakanda. I want to be a great king, Baba. Just like you. It is second style. There is no proper explanation to describe the speech style used. Number 3, casual style. T'Challa, are you finished? In this excerpt of the conversation, all the speech component factor give rise to the characteristic of the variety of intimate language. This can be seen from the way T'Challa who greets his sister by the referring expressions, my little sister. Number 4, intimate style. T'Challa, so surprised my little sister came to see me off before our big day. In this excerpt of conversation, only speech component factor give rise to the characteristic of the variety of intimate language. This can be seen from the way Chala greets his sister by the referring expression, my little sister. It can be concluded that in the result and discussion, this article has met the correct criteria where the author has written down the result obtained from the data obtained earlier and has written it systematically. Although there is one discussion that lacks detailed explanation, the entire article already used good systematics in its writing.
The next is conclusion analysis. In KPPI, conclusions is decisions taken from method think good by deductive nor inductive from something idea or discussion. Definition conclusion by general is statement summary taken from something analysis, discussion something story or result something talk. Conclusion becomes part most important in something creation because both whole discussion by short, concise, and clearly what causes impression good for reader. With existence that think that reader will more understand by more deep from what is you read what you can find on part and condition conclusions. Violent conclusion has three parts namely answer from sentence thesis, summary, and significance, relevance, implication from findings, research. And the next is in writing conclusions by writer has fulfilled conditions that is explain argument or answer thesis article that is used variety language used in the Black Panther movie. Which data is obtained from result study is used variety language with more casual style dominate than other styles. Data obtained so 13 findings the use of casual style in development. On part even this article has described with consists about data analysis that has been obtained in the before. How to conclude to very easy understood with sequential writing. In there is also a summary written prediction by researcher that is in the form of influencing factors in available language in the Black Panther movie that became complement paragraph. However, in article, this writer note and conclusion use transition words that show summary for given condition to reader that those ideas will end. Conclusions, the article is variation of the main character in the the, the movie Black Panther has very relevant with destination and analysis data. That is, can conclude type of the discussion casual tape with a total of 13 data were found. 6 data use formal style, 5 consultative style, and 5 intimate style. The next is references analysis. Reference is the part that contains source reference or source. The reference use writer for quote literature as ingredient article scientific. These things very beneficial in compressing article scientific for avoid plagiarism or consider plagiarism. All cited sources must be included but reference and vice versa. Destination reference. One strengthen to writer previously. 3 and output reader. Types reference. Number 1, footnotes, which are in the bottom margins page. A book that words made it easy reader will find description explanation in a paragraph or page. However, in article, this footnote no used. Number 2, quotes. What is typewritten reference with method copy sentence from opinion. Other authors are saying oral from expert to in creation scientific. What these many very fond, especially on the background and research method used for strengthen argument or moderate assumptions build writer instead creation he wrote. Analysis. This is evidence of reference using quote types in the analysis article. On the background, paragraph first, a language can be used to describe the emotion of users. Krita Laksana as quoted by Chair. Paragraph second, sociolinguistic is interdisciplinary.
Loh, Mbak sayang, Lady, tidak usah dibaca
Yes.
semua ya sayang.
Yes, ma'am.
Ini kan
From
reference ya.
section and on research method section. Next. Bibliography. Bibliography is list book or essay that becomes source reference from a writing or essay about something subject knowledge that word for description general from source reference used in writing creation scientific. In article, this writing bibliography use almost all source from book, which when the writing use element name author, year published, title book, place published, and name publisher. Thank you.
Ya oke, jangan ya biar begini dulu ya. Mbak dan Mas kelompok 1, what you should present is about what should be written down. Ya, bukan what are written down. Jadi diibaratkan kalau nanti ada mahasiswa adik kelas itu ingin menulis publication article, kemudian bertanya kepada Mas, nulis publication article itu isinya apa saja gitu ya. Kemudian apa sih yang harus ditulis di dalam title yang bagus tuh kayak apa sih? Apa sih yang harus ditulis dalam title? Apa sih yang harus ditulis dalam background? Apa sih yang harus ditulis dalam method? Nah itu bisa menggunakan slide-nya Mbak dan Mas ini sebagai acuan. Nah, oleh karena itu, dalam presentasinya Mbak dan Mas ini, ada beberapa yang sangat bagus, tetapi ada beberapa yang memang perlu direvisi. Ya, contohnya kita naik dulu, sayang. Dimulai dari yang pertama dulu. References itu tadi bagus, title. Ya, slide berikutnya. Ya, ini sebaiknya ya, the title can be said to be a short title because lah ini belum what should be written down. Jadi Mas dan Mbak memusatkan saja pada apa sih yang harus ditulis dalam title, gitu ya. Kalau nanti orang lain menggunakan slide ini untuk memulai menulis publication article, maka apa slide-nya Mbak dan Mas ini bisa dijadikan patokan. Gitu ya. Tetapi isinya sudah bagus, cuma nanti cara mengatakannya. Misalnya nomor 2, the title clearly represent. Nah, ini misalnya a title should clearly represent the content of the article. Discuss. Nah, ini discuss the language variation of Black Panther ini hanya sebagai bukti kan gitu ya. Ini sebagai bukti untuk memberikan justifikasi bahwa title Black Panther, title publication article itu sudah bagus atau belum bagus gitu. Yuk pada background-nya. Background, Mbak. Abstraknya bagus sebenarnya, abstraknya sudah bagus. Author-nya sangat bagus, tapi sekarang kita masuk background. Background tadi Mbak, background. Bawahnya, lah ini. In this study, the background consists of definition and description about language. Kan bukan itu. Ya, kalau ini adalah apa yang tertulis. Ya, apa yang tertulis di artikel itu memang ini, gitu. Tetapi presentasinya Mbak dan Mas yang diharapkan itu adalah apa sih yang seharusnya ditulis di dalam background. Gitu. Misalnya, yang pertama itu adalah thesis statement atau the significance of the research. Apa sih pentingnya melakukan penelitian? Itu harus ada di background, ya. Kemudian what are the objectives? Tujuan penelitian ini apa sih? Tujuan suatu penelitian itu harus ditulis di dalam background. Kemudian yang ketiga, teori-teori yang bisa digunakan untuk menjawab tujuan, untuk sampai ke tujuan, untuk menjawab research problem. Kemudian juga previous study, ya, previous study yang bisa strengthen, menguatkan step of analysis nanti, gitu. Kemudian yang terakhir adalah novelty. Novelty itu harus ditulis di dalam background. Novelty itu apa? Novelty itu adalah hal baru di dalam penelitian. Nah, jadi bukan in this study the background consists of about the language from various, bukan itu. Kalau ini adalah apa yang tertulis. Ya, nanti slide pertama ini diganti dengan apa sih yang harus ditulis, gitu ya. Dan seterusnya ada bagian yang bagus, misalnya conclusion itu sudah bagus, misalnya reference, ya, misalnya reference itu bagus, tetapi ya reference saja, bukan bibliografi. Jadi kalau Mbak dan Mas menulis buku, Mbak dan Mas boleh menggunakan bibliografi. Tetapi kalau Mbak dan Mas menulis publication article harus menulis reference. Ya, tidak boleh bibliografi. Nah, bedanya apa ya nanti dicari oleh Mbak dan Mas, gitu ya. Jadi ini some slide need to revised gitu. Beberapa slide memang harus direvisi. Oke, thank you kelompok 6. Kita tunggu revisinya dan nanti sesudah revisi diunggah di Schoology. Nanti link ke Schoology sebentar lagi saya sampaikan. Selanjutnya kelompok berapa yang sudah siap? Karena 6, kelompok 8 sudah siap atau belum? Putri Bernika, Rani, Amalia, Dimas. Halo?
Assalamualaikum, Ma'am. Boleh izin kelompok 4 sudah siap.
Oh iya, kelompok 4 dulu. Oke, Mbak Nurul.
Yes, Ma'am. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pertama-tama, mohon izin, Ma'am, nanti kami penjelasan dengan campuran, Ma'am. Ada bahasa Inggris dan ada bahasa Indonesia.
Ya, tidak usah dijelaskan, Mbak, karena harus ada 4 kelompok yang presentasi dan presentasinya Mbak dan Mas itu fokus pada what should be written down saja, ya. Jadi tidak usah dijelaskan. Oke, go on.
Okay, ma'am. We are from fourth group, would like to deliver our presentation about an analysis of public article. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am Nur Hikmah Amini, NIM A320200155, and my friends Olivia Fahtu Rotunida dengan NIM A320200149, Alia Hafida Rahma dengan NIM A320200166, Putri Mentari dengan NIM A3202000167 dan Mega Palupi Handayani dengan NIM A3202001169. We would like to deliver our analysis for article dengan judul Register Analysis of Photographers' Commentaries on Social Media Community Instagram. The title,
slide-nya digerakkan, Mbak. Slide-nya, Mbak.
Dance. Langsung slide ke selanjutnya.
Okay, would you please be efficient in time? Yeah. Do not wait too long, please. Yeah, would you please not to wait too long? Halo? Group 3?
Iya, ma'am. Maaf, ma'am. Tadi ke-mute. The title, what should be written down in the title? The title, inverted pyramid shaped. The title is concise and informative. Highlight the importance of the research. What is a good title? An analysis of photographers' commentaries on Instagram. In our opinion of the group. The author. What should be written down about the author? The full name of author, maximal 5 people without any academic degree, followed by the name of author, author institution, and an email. And the next is Olivia.
Abstract. What should be written down in the abstract? Number 1, the keywords must be written in 2 languages. In this article, only a language, or just English. Number 2, minimal 250 until 400 words, but in this article, it is only 240 words. Number 3, the abstract contains the aim, method, data, and result of the research. What is the keywords? Number 1, use minimum 3 until 10 words in the abstract. Number 2, based on the research content keywords, content, register, linguistic, meaning, motive.
Okay, the next part is introduction or background. What should be written down in introduction part? This section contains background and brief review of related research, problem formulation, research objective, literature review, which include relevant research theory and research benefits, as well as the result to be achieved. As such as the example in the research as follow in this study, the author examines the use of various language and relates them to the component of terms and analyze linguistic in the field of photography. There were some previous studies which analyze the linguistic form and meaning by context of situations such as Krishnawati in 2013 analyzed Cosmogirl magazine and the other research. And next slide. Regarding the previous studies above, the research attempts to conduct research related with register analysis of photography.
Mega, you can skip this part, yeah, because what we call the previous is very good. So you can skip.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Saja. Go on.
Okay.
Methodology, okay.
Methodology. What should be written down in the methodology part? The first in the section, explaining how the data was collected and researched. At the opening of this section, we should first narrate about the research problem, which is then followed by an explanation of the methodology that we do not usually use. For example, you may have created a unique approach specific to your thesis topic, or you may have adapted a process usually used in another line of research. The second must explain how the data was collected and describe each step of the research. Evaluate and justify the methodological choices you make. Describe the criteria that were used in choosing the approach in the research. List any potential weakness in the methodology and present evidence supporting the choice. And then include a brief evaluation of other methodology that might have chosen. The third, evaluate and justify the methodological choice you make. Describe the criteria that were used in choosing the approach in the research. List any potential weakness in the methodology and present evidence supporting the choice, and then include a brief evaluate of other methodology that might have chosen.
Result and discussion. What should be written down in the part of result and discussion? First, to make it easier to read articles that unify result and discussion, this section is given a subheaded heading which is divided based on the main result. Next slide. Discussion or conclusion. What should be written down in the conclusion? Based on the data analysis above, the researchers inferred several conclusions involving first, the variety use of linguistic form in the photographer's conversation shows how marvelous their content knowledge of the register found in their profession's environment. Second, the use of meaning found in the photographer's conversation reveals how professional their performance because they can adjust their content knowledge of lexical terms based on their needs and prestiges. But thus an effective communication between speakers and interlocutors can be created. The present research is conducted purposefully to provide the other researchers a reference about register, particularly in photography field. Slide references. What should be written down in the preferences? Writing of various sources to strengthen the argument with several opinions from various valid sources. Then show us about where the information is found. Thank you. That is from our group, ma'am. Thank you,
Yeah.
and I'm sorry.
Okay.
Wassalamualaikum
Many parts of your presentation is very good. Yeah, but some part need to revise. Yeah, I think the part of methodology. Would you please show us once again methodology? Yeah, methodology here. Yeah, you are able to imagine once again if someone wants to do a research, what should be included in the part of methodology? Yeah, the first is the type of the research. Yeah, it is qualitative or quantitative. Yeah, the next will be the object of the research. The next will be the way or the method used to take the data. The next will be the method or the technique used to analyze data, such like that. But it is good, yeah. But you need to rearrange once again in more concise language, ya, dalam bahasa yang lebih singkat. But the content of discussion and conclusion is very bad. discussion, please. Yeah. Based on the data analysis above, the researcher infer several conclusions. First, variety. No, it is what are written down, not what should be written down. Ya, yang seperti ini itu adalah apa yang tertulis. Yang tertulis di dalam publication article ya memang seperti ini. Tetapi Mbak kan dalam presentasi tidak diminta untuk memaparkan apa yang tertulis. Mbak dalam presentasi diminta untuk dalam presentasi Mbak harus mencari apa sih yang harus ditulis. Bukan apa sih yang tertulis, tetapi apa sih yang harus ditulis. Gitu ya. So this part discussion and conclusion need to revise, gitu ya. Jadi hal-hal apa yang harus ditulis di dalam discussion and conclusion. Yang terakhir adalah reference. Ya, reference here should contain each reference, each book or publication article or virtual references that the researcher do such kind of quotation or cite. Jadi reference itu harus mengandung setiap buku atau publication article atau virtual reference yang digunakan atau di mana yang para peneliti itu melakukan pengutipan. Gitu. Hanya itu. Kalau tidak dikutip, tidak boleh masuk ke reference. Tetapi kalau bibliografi boleh. Bibliografi itu buku yang dibaca, buku yang sembarang boleh dimasukkan. Tetapi kalau reference itu hanya yang dikutip. Kalau tidak dikutip, tidak boleh dimasukkan ke dalam reference. Jadi ini nanti tolong juga diperbaiki, what should be written down in references, ya, all books or publication article that the researcher quote or cite some ideas, ya, seperti itu antara lain, gitu ya, nanti diperbaiki. Tetapi bagian-bagian yang lain dari presentasi Anda sudah sangat bagus. Gitu ya Mbak Nurul dan teman-teman, ini nanti diperbaiki sebelum diunggah di Schoology. Oke, thank you very much. Selanjutnya kelompok 2 apa kelompok 8 yang sudah siap?
Ya, kelompok 2 sudah siap, Ma'am.
Ya, oke, sayang, dipersilahkan. Ya, mari dipersilahkan, Mbak.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farida, NIM A322175, and today we would like to present language variation of the main character in the movie Black Panther 2018. Next.
The next slide, please. Mas Verisko, the next slide, please. Halo, Verisko, dijawab dulu sayang. Ya, the next slide. Oh ya, oke.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Sofia Konita. My name is 8320200176, and my friend Eri Raihani with name 8320200189. Okay.
Okay, Sophia, you are able to start from the title or it will be delivered by your friend.
Yudhistira, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Abstract. An abstract is a short summary of a longer work, such as thesis, dissertation, or research paper. The abstract concisely reports the aims and outcomes of research, so that readers know exactly what the paper is about, keywords, language, variation, and character. Next.
Yeah, next slide.
Background. Introduction is an introduction of the issue or topic raised. This section is important because the reader will be interested in reading further if the issues raised are conveyed well at the beginning of the paragraph. In addition, the introduction also contains a thesis statement, which is one or more sentences that express the main idea of the discussion. Background. First, issue to be discussed. Number two, the main limitation of the research. Number three, feedback expected to be given by the object. Number four, research plan. Next. Methodology. The research is qualitative research that will be analyzed by using descriptive analysis method. The technique uses in this research is the provision free listening techniques by observing the corpus, which is the movie Black Panther. In this study, the theories used are type of language variety, the domain of language use, and speech events. Language variation is the main topic in linguistic studies. So, Krida Laksana in 1997. Chair and Agustina in Introduction of Sociolinguistics defines it as a branch of linguistics that seeks to explain the characteristics of language variations. Established correlation of the characteristic of language variations with social societies. The occurrence of diversity of variants of language is not only caused by the speaker who are not homogeneous, but also because the social interaction activities they carried out. Its activities causes a diversity of language. The diversity will increase if the language used by many speakers. The variety of language included to show and describe social factors such as the example mentioned by Jews in Cair and Agustina. The variety of language has its own sublanguage called language style. The variety of language is divided into 5 types, namely frozen style, formal style, consultative styles, casual styles, and intimate style.
Okay, for the next is result and discussion. The result section should simply state the findings without bias or interpretation and should be organized logically. Always write the result section in the past sentence. The result section is where you report your study's findings based on the methodology you use to collect data. In picture big side is salah satu dari metodologi yang kelompok kami temukan. Lalu ada formal style, ada consultative style, casual style, and intimate style. Next. Oke, untuk picture yang di atas salah satu contoh dari formal style. Lalu yang kedua ada consultative style. Oke, next. Lalu ada casual style dan juga ada intimate style. Next.
Conclusion. The author explains the 4 types of language variations used by the main character in Black Panther 2018. Based on this journal, formal style, consultative style, casual style, and intimate style, the author also concluded that the casual language variety is the main character's most dominant language variety. This variety of casual language is supported by participants with close relationships. There are numerous ellipses in the various casual languages. The author in this section goes into great detail about the language used in the films. Next. References. The references in this book, in this research, provides the title of the article, but only capitalize the first letter of the title, and the next lists the journal of periodical and volume numbers in italics, followed by the issue number in the parentheses. Finally, provide the page numbers where the article can be found. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, jangan keluar presentasi dulu. Di bagian awal, ya, at the beginning part, ya, you write a very good thing, ya. Title, I can what we call here the presentation. Yeah, we should write the title with the most important. I think it is good. Yeah, just go on. The next slide, please. Abstract. The abstract is very good, but the keywords is not good. Yeah, you should write down here what should be written down, not what is written in the publication article. Jadi what should be written down in the keywords. Apa sih yang harus ditulis, bukan apa yang tertulis. So you have to revise this part. The abstract is very good. Yeah, what should be written down in the abstract? Abstract should covers, yeah, short summary of longer work. Yeah, abstract concisely report the aims and outcome of the research. It is very good. That is what we mean. Yeah, with what should the focus of the presentation. Okay, the next background. Backgroundnya juga sudah bagus. Yang perlu ditambahkan adalah issues to be discussed, the main limitation of the research, yeah, feedback expected, and then research plan. Research plan is okay, but here you are able to add the underlying theory. The underlying theory, which will be used to analyze the data, should be written down in the background. Yeah?
Baik, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. The next will be method. Methodology here is very poor. Ini sama sekali tidak bagus. Ya, karena di sini Mbak dan Mas masih menuliskan apa yang tertulis dalam publication article itu. Mbak dan Mas belum menuliskan apa sih yang harus ditulis dalam methodology. Ya, dalam methodology itu yang harus dituliskan adalah satu, type of the research. The second is the object of the research. The next will be the method of collecting the data. The next will be the technique of analyzing the data. Such like that. Yeah. Okay, the next is result and discussion. It is very poor too. Ya, ini juga tidak bagus. Jadi kalau kalau nanti adik kelas tanya, Mbak, kalau aku mau nulis publication article itu di result dan discussion yang ditulis itu apa? Masa jawabannya Mbak, formal style, consultative style kan bukan itu. Jadi Mbak di sini harus menuliskan apa sih yang harus ditulis di dalam result and discussion. Ya. Jadi bukan apa yang tertulis, tetapi apa yang harus ditulis. Ya. Yang pertama adalah result and discussion should write in concise way, ya. The findings of the research related to the research problem, gitu. Jadi research problemnya apa? Research problemnya itu adalah mungkin form, mungkin types of variation, begitu ya. Jadi apa yang harus ditulis di dalam result and discussion itu adalah ya jawaban dari research question. Nah, misalnya seperti itu dan harus ditulis secara sistematis sesuai dengan underlying theory yang digunakan. Nah, misalnya yang seperti itu yang harus dituliskan. Jadi bukan hanya apa yang tertulis, tetapi apa yang harus dituliskan. Oke, the next conclusion, Mbak. Conclusion-nya juga sangat jelek, ya. Maka ini harus diubah, harus direvisi. Apa sih yang harus ditulis dalam conclusion? Gitu ya? Gitu. Oke, Mbak dan Mas masih punya waktu untuk merevisi ini. Karena nanti nilai itu kan kita gunakan untuk membuat nilai akhir ya. Tetapi ini Mbak dan Mas secara kelompok harus melakukan revisi agar nanti slide yang dibuat oleh Mbak dan Mas itu bisa dijadikan acuan kalau seseorang ingin memulai menulis artikel gitu. Oke, thank you very much. Group 2 and group 2 you are able, yeah, okay. Then we are going to invite group 8. Grup 6, grup 8, apakah Anda sudah siap? Ini mau HP-ku. Grup, apa judulnya? Sosio. Grup 8 siap apa enggak, sayang?
Siap, Ma'am.
Ya, oke. Oke, dipersilahkan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8. Today we will present our group work about an analysis of publication article. Presentation will be presented by me, Dimas Surya Elsandi. My student number is 83200. 163 with my friends Putri Kurnika Wijaya. Student number is 83202000165. Rani Larasati
Ya, nomornya tidak usah, Mas, karena waktunya ya. Oke.
Rani Larasati dan Amalia Rahma Firdaus. Next slide.
Okay, an analysis of publication article. Title: A register analysis of photographer commentaries on social media community Instagram. Researcher Haryani and Ainur Roshida Asmi Putri.
Here are some ways to create a good title.
First, the title is written briefly and clearly and must indicate exactly the problem to be raised and not given opportunities for varied interpretation. The number of words in the title is a maximum of 20 words. Second, the title must bear the theme of the text. Choose a title that summarizes the insight. 3. Capitalize all words with certain exceptions. Capitalize the first letter of every word in the title, but don't capitalize pronouns, article, preposition, and conjunction.
Authors. The authors or authors listed in the article must actually have a role in writing the article. The name is written in full without a title. If there is an author's name consisting of only one word, then the writing on the OGS is repeated. The first name and the last name part are the same, or the first name part is abbreviated from the leading letter accompanied by a period, and the last name is written in full. Example, an author's name is only Adele, then the writing is Adele, or it can be written Adele. A mail, each author's name listed in the article must be emailed. The email used for correspondence communication between the author and the editor is asterisked. Each author's name must be supplemented with an affiliation. In writing, the affiliate does not know the profession, teacher, student, lecturer, so it does not need to be listed if in one article there are several authors with the same affiliation. Then the affiliation is simply written once. Format of rating affiliates of study programs or departments of faculties, institution, address city, postal codes, state. Example, communication PGG, Asian Cyber University, Harsono RM Street, Ragunan, Pasar Minggu South, Jakarta, Jakarta
Mbak Rani,
12550.
Mbak Rani, sorry I interrupt you. I think it is not, it should not
Yes.
be in detail ya, tidak harus terlalu detail. Ya,
Yes, ma'am.
dibaca what should-nya saja, what should be written down. Ya, okay, just go on.
How to make a good abstract. Or when the content is relevant, explain the purpose of the writing and reflects the content of the writing. Number 2, present in a complete reading format, meaning that the reader does not have to look for a reference source to understand the content of the abstract. Number 3, the number of words is not more than 150 words. Tolerance is usually up to 250 words. Number 5, it is a report-based article, not a comment or opinion from the author. Number 5, clearly written and convincing the reader. Number 6, use active pressing to report findings, focusing on issues or problems, not people or authors. Next. Abstract in this article.
Introduction. Here the characteristic of a good introduction. Number 1, explain the problems that will be discussed in the paper. Number 2, contains about the answer the question, why does this research need to be carried out? Number 3, discussing the problem. Then, which part of the problem does you want to solve in this study? Number 4, we carried out.
Research methodology is a procedure used to identify, select, process, and analyze information about a research topic. The research methodology section answers two main questions. First, how is data collected or generated? Second, how is it analyzed? How to write research methodology? First, explain the methodological approach. 2. Describe the methods of data collection. 3. Describe your data analysis method. 4. Evaluate the methodology you select.
Result and discussion. One result section is just a presentation of the data. There should not be any discussion in the result section that goes in the discussion session. The result need to be presented in enough detail for someone not familiar with the scientific paper to understand them. 2. Discussion unrolls the main result, explain their meanings, factor the new question and perspective, describe the most interesting point for the entire file. Define the possible answer, write down why and how and what for your suggestion.
How to write article reference. A reference list and generally has 4 elements: the author, date, title, and source. Each element answers a question. First, author, who is responsible for this work. Second, date, when was this work published. 3. Title, what is this work called. 4. Source, where can I read this work. In general, a reference will include author's name and initial, the title of the article, name of the journal, volume, issue, date, page numbers, and doi.
Ya, oke, thank you. Oke, thank you Mas Dimas dan teman-teman. Ya, I think you have a good manner in structuring the presentation because you write down what should be first and then you support with what are what are found out atau what are found out in the publication article. Yeah, so I think what should be and then followed by what are written down in the publication article. I think it is good, but there is some point that need to revise. Naik satu persatu, saya agak lupa di mananya. Yes, this one. Yeah. I think result and discussion here should be related to not only the entire field itu kan result and discussion in general ya, but in publication article ya, what should be elaborated in the result and discussion here should be related to the focus or the research problem, yeah, or the problem statement, yeah, the research question, yeah. So I think it is good, yeah, but it is too general. Ini bagus, tetapi ini terlalu umum dan ini masih belum result and discussion ini belum mencerminkan what should be written down in a publication article, because publication article here is always refers to such research that have been conducted before. Jadi kalau result itu selalu dihubungkan dengan hasil penelitian gitu. Lah ini masih belum ada ini. Kemudian kalau sesudah slide ini kemudian di-support dengan yang ditulis di publication article ini ada di sini loh, itu tidak apa-apa, tetapi cara menyusun presentasi itu sudah bagus, what should be dulu, baru nanti disupport dengan apa yang ada di dalam publication article yang sekarang sedang fokus. Gitu ya, naik lagi. Methodology, ya. Methodology ini juga sangat bagus, ya. Kemudian saya berharap tetap di-support what should be ini itu juga di-support dengan apa publication article yang saat itu sedang dikaji itu sudah memenuhi ini atau belum. Tetapi metodologinya bagus. Yuk naik lagi. Ya, what we call introduction-nya juga bagus gitu ya. Bisa ditambahkan previous study, ya previous study itu dan underlying theory. Previous study dan underlying theory itu harus dimasukkan ke dalam introduction karena nanti di saat analisis penulis itu refers to the theory ini. Jadi bukan hanya ini explain the problem, contain about answer of the question, ya, why does this research need to be carried out after discussing the problem, ya, then which part of the problem does you want to solve, emphasizing the benefit, ya, you are able, it is not enough, you should add with the theory and the previous study, karena teori itu nanti digunakan sebagai alat analisis data dan previous study itu untuk menjamin originalitas dan juga mengemukakan hal baru. Gitu saya kira kelompok berapa ini tadi? Kelompok 8 ya? Halo?
Iya, ma'am.
Ya, kelompok 8 you have a very good presentation, but some slide need to be revised. Gitu ya. Gitu. Kemudian kelompok Gasal 1357 akan kita beri kesempatan gimana kalau Jumat sore. Jadi Jumat itu akan kita mulai pukul 14 untuk kelas D dan nanti pukul 14 sampai 15, 15.30 itu untuk kelas E ini. Apakah bisa Mbak dan Mas? Halo?
Insya Allah bisa, Ma'am.
Insya Allah bisa. Oke. Berarti nanti Jumat akan saya buka kesempatan untuk kelas E yang grup genap. Gitu ya. Thank you very much for joining this session. I think you learn much from your analysis and also your presentation. And I am so sure that you are ready to make publication article later on. Gitu, materi untuk ujian tengah semester adalah register, kemudian address system, kemudian language variation, kemudian satu lagi dari Mayora itu adalah dialek. Dialek itu hanya fokus pada regional dialect and social dialect. Ujiannya 1 kali 24 jam dan sebagian itu adalah analisis. Gitu ya Mbak dan Mas. Soal masih ada di Pak Sigit, nanti akan saya coba untuk konfirmasi sekali lagi. Thank you very much for your coming. See you next Friday. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for
Thank you,
your
ma'am.